Why do 99% of gorillas get amazed by shiny tires? Because they've never seen Haza Extreme Black Tire shine? Picture this, a bunch of gorillas hanging out in the jungle just minding their own business. Suddenly they spot something. Haza Extreme Black Tire Shine Spray. You'd think they've discovered the eighth wonder of the world. Laugh. One gorilla, let's call him Gary, starts inspecting the tire. He's scratching his head, wide-eyed, like, is this magic? Then boom, he's calling over his friends. Hey, come see this! It's like our tire's got a makeover! Next thing you know, it's a gorilla party. They're jumping, they're pointing, they're acting like they've never seen anything so shiny and clean. Even the baby gorillas are in awe. And we're not talking a little head turn, we're talking full-on, jaw-dropping, can't believe their eyes amazement. Haza doesn't just make your tires shine, it makes a gorilla's day. So, if you want to impress your local wildlife or just want tires so shiny they belong on the red carpet, grab yourself some Haza Extreme Black Tire Shine. Because if it's gorilla approved, you know it's got to be good.